Hello everyone! Our painting for today is a little bit different than our traditional watercolor painting. What makes it different? Of course, we are still painting our flower in watercolor, but we will make it look like we draw a colored pencil painting over it. There is indeed a watercolor pencil, and I only use them for my sketch, and I use it here. I still prefer the watercolor in a tube or pen. As an artist, we experiment painting techniques, what works and what not. This one works well. As you can see, I applied the masking fluid first to our filaments on our stamen, and we dropped 2 or 3 layers of yellow. We paint our petals with a light pink pigment that barely colored the white paper and then drop red on the shaded areas. When done, we started drawing lines like a pencil using our fine brush. We paint this in dry on dry technique. When painting lines, paint it like a feather touch with a light color that aligns with the petals, and paint it darker for intended textures. This is just a short demo, so keep watching till the end to see our finished product. I'm Jelly Storms. Enjoy watching.